This is a review of the arm blaster for your arms and triceps that I would highly recommend. I use this if for those people and those individuals that have problems with keeping a stabilization for their arms and forearms, then this is a good workout, a good accessory to have for your gym purposes and also for your home workout purposes. What this does is that it keeps your arms stable so that your arms don't move around. For those people that swing their arms too much, the workout is sometimes you could mess up the workout, and this keeps your arm stabilized. And it does have a what I like about this is that it has a padding right here, and then you can see that it has a collar on top right here that it is very, it's comfortable. It doesn't get irritated. It's pretty soft when you wear it, so your neck doesn't get any like itching, or it feels like fine. Like it's not like going to bother you, which I do like. It has a little padding on there, and this is the strap to put it around your neck. And then from there you see the arm blaster right here. I use this for over like 3 years now, and so far it has held up perfectly fine. I use this for my workout for my tricep and bicep, and it helps keep your stabilization so you don't swing your arms at all. And overall, I would highly recommend this because it keeps your body still, and when you do your bicep workout, then it keeps your arms from not swinging. And I would highly recommend it because if you do this without it, then you tend to swing your arms, and when you use this thing, then it helps keep a stabilization. And overall, I would highly recommend this arm blaster because it really does do the job, and overall I would highly recommend it.